everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is regarding the important question or the most common question that students might be facing at this particular point of time, or which I have been receiving a lot from a number of students, and that is whether you should consider CSIR and GATE together, because there are high chances both the examination would be like round the corner itself, like 1 or 2 weeks one after the other. We might have the exam dates in the similar pattern. So the question is whether you should consider giving both of the exams on a single go. I would say you can go for it. Why? Because if you look into the syllabus of CSIR and the syllabus of GATE examination, and second condition, if you are sincerely preparing for the CSIR examination and you have like good conceptual knowledge, you are going forward in the preparation in a very structured manner, I am telling you, you can qualify GATE examination along with CSIR only, because it is comparatively of less level. It is comparatively like on a easier note in comparison to CSIR condition. And in addition, if you are preparing for CSIR, you are indirectly preparing for all the other examinations, considering the GATE examination or the DBT examination. See, GATE examination is of bit of theoretical side, I know, but theoretical portion is also covered in CSIR. Do not forget this particular fact. So if you want to go for both of the exams together, go for it, have a strategy, prepare well for both of the examination. So I would suggest you, if you are planning out for research fields, if you are planning out for going into higher areas of CSIR like research scholar or a PhD scholar, go for both of the examination. You can qualify both of the exams on a single go with a proper strategy, with a structured schedule for yourself that you have to do this particular topic in this particular time of amount. So completely depends on you, but do not have that fear that I am preparing for CSIR. Should I go for DBT or should I go for GATE as well or not? You can go for it. CSIR is like an umbrella. It would help you to cover most of the questions of the other exams as well, if you are sincerely preparing and if you are putting your heart and soul into this examinations preparation. So my suggestion, go for it. You can do it, for sure you can do it. Just be confident, have that zeal, have that power that yes, I can qualify this, and for sure you'll be able to qualify this examination. This was from my end, Botany Insider. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also download our application from the Play Store. It's completely free. Get enrolled in a number of courses running on Botany Insider. We have a lot of quality content available for you all at minimum prices, and for sure it would help you to strengthen your preparation. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck and all the best.